Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy links on Instagram. Whether it's a profile link, a post link or a story link, it's super easy and I'm going to break it down for you step by step. So let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram on your home screen. Now open it. Now find the post that you want to copy the link of. You can either scroll down or search it on the search bar. After you locate the post, here you can find the share button. Simply tap on it. Now look for the option that says copy link. Now tap on it. Now the link has been copied. Now you can paste it wherever you want it to paste. So there you go guys, now you know how to copy links from Instagram. It is a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.